welcome back to Mama Lulu's Kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be refried beans, my style. Very tasty. Let me show you the ingredients. To make our refried beans, I'm going to add approximately 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, little piece of onion, and 6 chiles de arbol. And we're gonna fry this just for a couple of minutes. All I want is for the peppers, the onions, and the garlic to release its flavor. I'm going to remove the peppers because I don't want them to get burned. And now I'm going to add the beans. That's 4 cups. And that's 6 cups of beans. So I'm going to let them simmer for approximately 10 minutes in medium heat. The beans have been cooking for approximately 10 minutes. I'm going to open this, and with a little tool like this, I'm going to go ahead and smash the beans. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the peppers. And I'm going to let it simmer for an additional 5 minutes in low heat. The fried beans are ready to serve. Don't they look delicious? Those peppers with the fried beans taste so good. You're going to love it. I'm going to remove them from the heat and I'll set them aside.
And since there's nothing better than fresh, this time I'm choosing to have my refried beans with homemade corn tortillas. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.